Microtech. Never had one. Made in the USA, 100%. This one is the Socom Elite Auto Purple. Look at that, custom sharp edge. And the guy even initialed it. Look at that. Purple. Yeah, buddy. Nice grippy. Now this one doesn't have a safety on it. That comes open with authority. Look at that. Very sharp. This one was born January, February, March, April, May of 2019. That's when that was made, and there's the serial number. That feels good. That feels really good. These things have gotten some excellent reviews. Look at that. Now, I'm not going to put a lanyard on here because it has this glass breaker. If I put a lanyard on there, it's going to get in the way. Plus, and this takes two hands to close, like most autos. See how thick that blade is. That feels very nice. Nice jimping up here. Huh. That feels good. Now this is tipped down. And I don't believe that I've ever had a tipped down knife, except now. Look at how centered that bad boy is. I mean, that's just like spot on. They did good. Very good. Huh. Lockup's nice too. Look at that. Effortless. Very lightweight. I say get one. That's about all I can say about this. I mean, it's just well done.